Hi everyone, Tania TSN here, and today I'm gonna show you how I go from this to that. So I'm gonna diffuse my hair today for the first time.
Feel my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced.
And so I'm just gonna start by showing you all the products that I will be using in this video, and of course all the links to those are gonna be in the description if you want to get them for you. First, I will be using my Boutique Conair blow dryer, and the handle is in the box when you get it. I will also be using that little water bottle to spray my hair with water because I want them to be a little bit more wet when I apply the products to my hair. For the products, I'm going to be using two main products, and the first one is going to be the Mixed Chic leave-in conditioner, and then I will also use the leave-in treatment by Shea Moisture, this one. And since I don't have any more Eco Styler, I have this little curl treat gel for my hair from Garnier, so I'm going to be using this one in the video as my gel. And then here I just have two products simply to protect my hair from the heat, and it's this little Shy, I don't know how you pronounce it in English, but this little silk infusion that will help literally my hair to be safe while I blow dry them or diffuse them. And I will also be using that spray for heat, even though I'm not going to try to use as much heat. I'm really going to try to really protect my hair as much as possible. And like always, I will be using my Denman brush and a white tooth comb. So now I'm going to be starting by simply spraying my hair and brushing them with my Denman brushes to put them down into a little more definition. You need to know that you also need to spray the inside of your hair because my hair, for example, is really thick. So I really need to every time go and put water inside, because I used to not do that too much and my hair would actually get super wet on the outside and here, over here, since I put water a lot here, but they wouldn't be really wet in here. So I had left a hair treatment from Shea Moisture. I will put the little container here just to show you which one it is. I already used it a lot on my channel, so you probably know already which one it is. But I just left it there just because on my hair, because I like to do kind of like a little treatment before I'm gonna apply any heat to my hair, but also when I do curls like that, define my curls, this product is really good for me to after detangle my hair, and as you can see, it's really easy. Now that my hair is actually really good detangled and as you can see, really well hydrated with the base product that I'm using, I will be simply parting my hair into smaller sections just to really define my curls. Since I'm going to be diffusing them, I really want to be every single curl is really defined. Okay guys, so now I'm done the part of actually defining my curls, and as you can see, they're pretty much defined. And so the next step is to use my leave-in treatment from Shea Moisture.
It's RSN.
And so now before I start blow drying my hair, I'm gonna add the gel and the heat protectant. So now it's time to diffuse my hair. So first I'm gonna try to dry off the gel first so that it's set, and then I'm gonna go into my roots, and then I will be clumping my hair just to make sure that I get some more volume. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is actually go for more volume, and so I'm gonna be using my white tooth comb now. And then to finish, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of castor oil to my hair, but not too much because this oil is really sticky. Can you guys see how defined my curls are? This is crazy. So as you can tell, I am very happy with my results. Okay, so that was it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what you think of that hairstyle and would you try it at home, and I'll see you in the next video.
I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind.